Welcome back to Auto Buzz TV, the home for all things unique, innovative, and absolutely jaw-dropping in the world of vehicles. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into the coolest rides on the planet. Today, we're talking about something that's bound to turn heads wherever it goes, the Pink RV Camper Tricycle. Yes, you heard that right, part RV, part trike, and completely unforgettable. Imagine rolling down a scenic road on a sunny day, the wind in your hair, a pop of vibrant pink glistening under the sunlight, and the comfort of a mini home right behind your seat. That's exactly what this RV camper tricycle delivers, a combination of adventure, practicality, and a big splash of personality. The color alone makes a statement. Pink isn't just a shade here, it's a mood. It's playful, bold, and unapologetically different. Whether you're a solo traveler, a content creator looking for that perfect Instagram backdrop, or simply someone who loves standing out in a crowd, this tricycle makes sure you do it in style. The design is where things get really interesting. At the front, you have the handlebars and comfortable riding position typical of a high-end trike, but as your eyes travel backward, you realize it's not just a bike, it's a compact camper. The frame is sturdy yet lightweight, engineered for stability even with the camper section attached. The paint job is glossy and eye-catching, with smooth curves and details that scream custom craftsmanship. It's not just about looking pretty, though. Every element of this trike has a functional purpose. Step into the camper section and you'll find a surprisingly spacious setup for something on three wheels. There's enough room for a small bed or sleeping area, storage compartments for your gear, and even space to install basic cooking equipment. The interior uses lightweight but durable materials, meaning you're not weighed down while riding. Large side windows bring in plenty of natural light, and if you want privacy, you can pull down the blinds. Some models even come with tiny solar panels on top, allowing you to charge devices and run small appliances completely off-grid. Performance-wise, this Pink RV camper tricycle isn't just about cruising at a slow pace. Many versions come with an electric assist motor, giving you extra push when tackling hills or covering long distances. The battery can usually be charged at home or via portable solar setups, and depending on the model, you can get anywhere from 30 to 60 miles on a single charge. This opens up the possibility for long weekend trips without worrying about running out of juice. The three-wheel design ensures balance, so even if you're carrying your camping essentials, you'll feel steady and in control. One of the best things about owning a tricycle camper like this is the freedom it offers. Traditional RVs are huge, require big parking spots, and can't go everywhere. But this, you can take it onto narrow country roads, through small towns, and even into places where cars aren't allowed. It's small enough to store in a regular garage but big enough to give you shelter and comfort wherever you go. And because it's human-powered with electric assist, you're saving money on fuel while reducing your carbon footprint. The pink paint job adds another layer of charm. For many owners, it's not just a mode of transport, it's a conversation starter. Everywhere you stop, people will want to take a picture, ask questions, and admire the bold style. This makes it perfect for travelers who love meeting new people and sharing their journey. Plus, if you're into social media, the Pink RV Camper Tricycle is practically content gold. Every corner, every angle, every background will make your photos and videos pop. Maintenance is refreshingly simple compared to full-sized RVs. You don't have to worry about complicated engine work or massive tire replacements. Most of the upkeep is similar to maintaining a regular bicycle or e-bike: chain lubrication, brake adjustments, and battery charging. This means less downtime and more time enjoying the road. When it comes to cost, it's a fraction of what you'd pay for a traditional camper van or motorhome. Depending on customization, features, and motor power, you could get one for a price similar to a mid-range electric bike, but with the added benefit of your own personal camper space. And the savings don't stop at the purchase: no gas bills, no expensive parking fees, and no massive insurance premiums. The Pink RV Camper Tricycle represents a new way of thinking about travel, a shift towards minimalism, sustainability, and individuality. It's about realizing that you don't need a giant motorhome to explore the world. Sometimes, all you need is three wheels, a comfy bed, and the courage to stand out. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures, weekend getaways, or simply want a unique ride for your city, this little pink powerhouse is ready for the challenge. So, if you've been dreaming about hitting the road in style, creating unforgettable memories, and doing it all with a smile, maybe it's time to consider something different. The Pink RV Camper Tricycle isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle on 3 wheels. That's all for today's ride here on AutoBuzz TV. If you enjoyed discovering this incredible little machine, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts, and let us know in the comments, would you ride across the country on a Pink RV Camper Trike? Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you're first to see our next unique vehicle feature. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep exploring, keep